And good afternoon, everyone. More evidence being shown in a Waukesha courtroom in the trial of Darrell Brooks.
The jury also heard testimony from witnesses, and Brooks got emotional during a portion of today's hearing.
Chanley Painter is with our partners over at Court TV and joins us live now outside the Waukesha County Courthouse. Chanley, thanks so much for your time this afternoon. We're hearing that Darrell Brooks seemed to be having a better day in court today, even winning an objection. What do you think was the difference today?
Yeah, great to be with you, Steve and Susan. It does seem that the defendant is doing his homework when he goes back to the jail cell every night. He was in court today quoting case law to the judge, a case that she cited multiple times that allows her to remove him from the courtroom and watch remotely if he's being disruptive or incessantly interfering with the process. So this is a defendant that is doing his homework. He's also someone that has won what seems to be a big objection. There was an exhibit earlier, an officer's dash cam video that the jury watched where he responded to that altercation with the ex-girlfriend. And on this dash cam, Erica, the victim, is actually talking about the previous crimes with Brooks. So he's moved to strike this from the record, and the judge said she was inclined to agree. So you put one in the win column for Brooks. He's going to give the parties a weekend to actually write out their request for this exhibit. But that's one win of many losses of objections he's made throughout the day. And you're right, he did get emotional earlier today, and that was the only time that he went to that remote location briefly. But this is the first day he spent most of the day inside the courtroom.
Chanley, you've been in the courtroom today too. How's the jury reacting to what they're hearing? And generally, how's everyone just holding up? These are long, slow days.
They are long, slow days, and the testimony is beginning to enter the kind of graphic nature as well. So it's going to be difficult for those in the gallery and this jury. The jury is in tune. They are attentive. I see them taking occasional notes, but as the defendant cross-examines the witnesses, it sometimes goes up to 40 minutes of cross-examination. It's quite repetitive at times. You can see it weighing on the jurors. They have deadpan faces. They're not looking at him. They don't seem to be paying attention once that happens. And of course, the judge is shutting down a lot of those cross-examinations. But in the gallery, especially this afternoon, as photos and videos are being shown of the parade last year, the victims' families who are sitting in the gallery, 3 rows are full of victims' families. And you can hear sobs and sniffles. They're comforting each other. It's been difficult for them as they watch the testimony.
Chanley Painter from Court TV outside the courthouse in Waukesha. Appreciate your time, taking it to spend it with us this afternoon. Chanley, thank you.